Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we have completed with 19 blocks, isn't it, children? So, in that, we have learned about the temperate grasslands. Yes, that was a third climatic region which we have on our earth, isn't it, children? So, the 20th block is about the fourth climatic region, that is Arctic thunder region. Okay, actually, it is thunder region. Okay, and this thunder region we can see in the poles, at the poles. Okay, that the northern pole and the southern pole, south pole and north pole, and these poles lie in the frigid zone, isn't it, children? And these regions are very cold. These are the coldest regions in the world. Okay, and these regions are covered with snow throughout the year, or you can say most of the year. Okay, children, and this thunder region has been divided into three types, children. Okay, the Arctic thunder region, Alpine thunder region, and Antarctic thunder region. Okay, so in this block we are going to learn about Arctic thunder region. Okay, so please open your social content books, children, and turn to page number 124. Okay, Arctic thunder region. So in this, our first topic is climate and location. Okay, first let's learn about the location, children. Okay, so the region around the North Pole. Okay, the region which is, this is your North Pole, isn't it? The region around the North Pole, including the Antarctic Ocean. Here is the Antarctic Ocean. So including that Antarctic Ocean and northern parts of North America, Europe, and Asia experience this thunder region. These places have thunder region and they experience the cold climate. Okay, and let's see this, the grassland experiences this Arctic thunder region. Northern parts of Canada, Alaska, Iceland, and the countries of Europe like Finland, Norway, Sweden, Iceland, and Siberia. Here you can see Siberia. So this is the location of Arctic thunder region. Okay, children. So this is about the location. Now coming to the climate, children. Here the climate is very cold, we have learned. Why? Because the sunlights are slanting towards these places. Okay. If it is nearer to equator, the sun rays, the sunlight falls directly on them. But these places are away from the equator. That's why they experience the slanting rays of the sunlight. Okay, and because of that it is very cold in this region. Okay, and you can see it is very cold in this region almost all of the year, throughout the year also we can say. And children, in winter here the sun does not rise. Okay, it's completely dark for almost 6 months, or at least they will experience at least one day without sunrise. That means it will be completely dark. And if you see the summer, children, the summer, in summer the sun stays throughout the almost for 6 months. It is rising only, there is no sunset. Okay, at least one day they experience no sunset. Okay, but we can say it is for 6 months also. Okay, the sun is above the origin, because of that it always sun day only, there is no night. Okay, and this region is covered with snow. Most of the time it is completely ice, and you can't find rainfall, but there'll be a snowfall. Okay, there might be snowfall, or sometimes they also experience the sandstorm, snowstorm. Okay, like sandstorms, like sand will be rotating like a cyclone, isn't it? But there they experience the snowstorm, where snow will be rotating in a revolving manner. Okay, those are common in this region. Children, do you remember when we were reading, when we are learning about the rotation and revolution of the earth, we have learned about polar day and polar night? Do you remember that they experience one complete day? There will be no sunset there. In rotation and revolution we have learned that happens in this region, Arctic thunder region. Okay, so this is about the climate and the location of Arctic thunder region, children. So in the next class we will learn the people of this region. Okay, so for this topic I have given few keywords, children. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, underline in your content book, and if you find any other word which is difficult for you, please underline it, write it in your classwork and learn it also. Okay, coming to your question answers. What is thunder region? Where is Arctic thunder region located? So Arctic thunder region is large, it's treeless, it's flat, and the soil is permanently frozen. Yes. And what are the regions where you can see this Arctic thunder region? Northern parts of Canada, Greenland, northern parts of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Siberia, isn't it? All these parts. So write all the names. So if you want to underline the names of the places as your keywords, that's also fine, children. You can write it as keywords in your notebook and you can learn it. Okay, don't make mistakes while you are writing exams. Okay, so learn here itself, now itself, so that it will be easy for you for your exams also. Okay, so next question. How is climate of Arctic thunder region different from that of tropical region? So the climate of Arctic region is very cold and it has snowfalls and it has snowstorms, isn't it? Whereas in tropical forest, the tropical forest is wet, it isn't it? It has heavy rainfall. Yes, and also they experience the direct sun rays, so it is hot, isn't it, children? So that's what you will mention here. So the Arctic thunder region is close to poles. It gets slanting rays of sun, so it is very cold. Okay, here we are writing the reasons also. It is covered with ice. There is a layer of soil which is permanently frozen. But whereas in tropical forests are close to equator, so they receive the direct sun rays, where you can experience the climate is hot but with the heavy rainfall, isn't it? It is also humid as it rains a lot. Okay, unlike the Arctic thunder region, snowstorms is common in Arctic tundra, unlike the tropical forest. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork. Please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 20, S1, Arctic thunder region. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the people of the Arctic thunder region. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.